The first thing we have to cover is what exactly a self-custody wallet is. And if you're already aware of this, you can skip ahead to the tutorial using the table of contents below. Most people are familiar with crypto exchanges like Coinbase, but with these platforms, you don't have full custody of your cryptocurrencies. Instead, you have to trust the exchange itself to store your cryptocurrencies securely. Now, over the years, there have been some notable exchange hacks, such as the Mt. Gox Bitcoin exchange hack that occurred in 2014. This was where thousands of Bitcoin were stolen in the process, and this ultimately resulted in the company going bankrupt, and those who held Bitcoin in the exchange lost it all. Now, a lot has changed over the last 10 years, and exchanges are a lot more secure, and some even carry insurance against this kind of theft. But nonetheless, storing your cryptocurrencies on exchange always comes with some level of risk. With a self-custody wallet, you are in complete control of your crypto assets, for better or worse. And what I mean by that is if you lose your seed phrase, which is your master password to your wallet, there is no customer service or anyone you can call to regain access to your wallet. You're locked out forever. With an exchange, you could simply reset your password with customer service, but that's just not possible with a self-custody wallet. There's a saying in the crypto community that goes, "Not your keys, not your crypto." If you don't hold the seed phrase, you don't control your crypto assets or truly own them. But if somebody else gets access to your seed phrase, your wallet is as good as theirs, as they can control everything at that point.